for Mrazek here in the third period.
Made 4 of them.
Here's Svechnikov, he scores! Well, Mrazek, some spectacular stops on one end, and the Canes are on the board from the teenager Svechnikov.
Earlier in this game, he got lit up big time by Brooks Orpik, but he hasn't been shy at all.
With a step, Walmart gets there. His slot pass, Svechnikov scores! 2 for Svechnikov here in the third period. It's a 1-goal game.
6 in Carolina's favor overall here in the first. Warren Foegele. Indirect pass out for Slavin. Steered to the front. They score!
Braden Holtby couldn't get himself set. Lucas Walmart, and it's 2-1.
Skinner curls back. Plays it to the line.
Williams with a shot with Aho jamming. He scores! Off the glass, Sebastian Aho puts it off the skate of Holtby and in.
2 defensemen led the rush for Carolina.
Off the face-off, a clean win for Stahl. Slavin sets it up on the power play. Hamilton walking, scores! A deflected shot from Dougie Hamilton, a power play goal to tie it.
Jordan Stahl drew the penalty from the high stick to Dowden. Jordan Stahl just used his stick to tie this thing up.
Of McGinn, but Foegele on the steal. Can't get it on net as Christian Djoos able to knock him over. Crowd wants a call they won't get. Shovel to the front. They score!
First lead of the series for the Carolina Hurricanes as Foegele was tied up just in front of Braden Holtby and it landed behind him.
Change of directions as he was driving towards the net. The puck came away from him. Now it's Teravainen with Foegele breaking. Tries to get it to him. Teravainen wide open. Aho!
Score! It comes to Warren Foegele. He's got a boat for Carolina.
Jacob Slavin on the move, trying to get it across. Falk, they set it up. Hamilton, he scores!
Dougie Hamilton, a power play goal. It's 3-0 Carolina.
Foegele came out in front. Warren Foegele can't get the shot away. Slavin over. Hamilton, he scores!
2 power play goals in the game for Dougie Hamilton.
Martinuk got a good shot on Backstrom and the puck taken over by Stahl.
Here's McGinn alone. He scores! That's 5.
You can never discount grit factor in a series.
Shuffling their forward lines. Hurricanes start with Stahl, Foegele, and Williams. Here comes Slavin across. Score! Foegele! 17 seconds in. We witnessed Ovechkin blocking shots throughout the Stanley Cup playoffs. And now a late opportunity. Teravainen scores!
Down. Hamilton cross-ice pass. That one deflects out to the line off the stick of Backstrom. Hurricanes with another opportunity. Hamilton's shot is blocked. Penalty is over. Foegele shoots. He scores! Involved in that first goal. Now the puck knocked down into the capital zone.
Good stick by DeHaan there defensively.
Out in front it comes. The Hurricanes tie it. 2-2.
Well, this all started about 180 feet away from Braden Holtby.
Now Jordan Stahl had the puck knocked away by Orlov.
Stahl did not see Falk jumping into the play. He was wide open behind him.
Now Falk with a shot blocked in front. Puck is loose. They score! Stahl! 3-2 Carolina. Early in the third period. This is Stahl with the puck. Moves it back out to the left point. That shot deflected. Score! Justin Williams. 4-2 Carolina. Knocked down by Ovechkin and then forced out by Walmart. Ovechkin hits the ice. Carried back to the line by Connolly. Blocked off. Empty net. Hamilton shoots. He scores! Out, then clears it ahead for Sebastian Aho. Joined by Teravainen. Aho floats one on goal. Short-handed chance. He scores!
His angle there, McGinn hits the net. I think it's at the back of the net.
Here's Pesce into the slot. Turnaround shot. Score! Teravainen! Again, it is a one-goal game. Up the boards and out. Here comes Jordan Staal with a shot. He scores! Staal ties the game at 3. Forward with it. What an effort by Justin Williams once again tonight in a Game 7. Wilson couldn't get his stick on the puck. Hurricanes keep it alive. Williams towards the net. Score!